Dear children, good morning to all. Today, math class for grade 6, chapter 3, playing with numbers. In this section, today we are going to revise the exercise 3.3 and 3.4. Shall we start? Tests for divisibility of numbers. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, the numbers 1472. In this ones place, what is the number? 2. So it is divisible by 2. Look at the next number 564. In this ones digit, what is the number? 4. So it is divisible by 2. So these are the examples of divisible by 2. 3268, 426 and 740 are divisible by 2. Since their unit digits are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 respectively. See the next one, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Look at the example, 7563. Since the sum, what is that? 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. Add, what is the answer? 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. Hence the number 7563 is divisible by 3. Next one is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits, that is tens and ones place, is divisible by 4. See the example, the number 2076, the last two digit. What is that? 76. How many 4s are 76? 19 4s are 76. And the next number 728. This 28, it is divisible by 4. 7 4s are 28. And then look at the next one, 64. 16 4s are 64. So these are divisible by 4. Since the last two digits are divisible by 4. Next one is divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is either 0 or 5. See the example, 475, 6280 and 345. Look at the last digit, 5, 0, 5. So these are all divisible by 5 because their ones digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. For example, the number 43,542 is divisible by 2 as its one digit is 2. It is also divisible by 3. What is the sum of its digits? 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. It is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Hence, 43,542 is divisible by 6. Next one is divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by rest of digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Look, see the example in the number 3675, the last digit is 5. As take that 367, it is twice the last digit, 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Now do the subtraction, 367 minus 10, it is 357 is a multiple of 7. Hence, 3675 is divisible by 7. 41 8s are 328. So, the number 6328 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Let's see the example. So 36,054. The sum of digits 3 plus 6 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4. It is equal to 18. 2 nines are 18. So it is divisible by 9. Hence the number 36,054 is also divisible by 9. Next one, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at ones place, the number is 0. See the example, 790 and 84,680 are divisible by 10. Why? Because their ones digit is 0. See the next one, divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits odd places and the sum of digits at even places starting from ones place is either 0 or multiple of 11. See the example, 61,809. The sum of the digits at odd places. That odd place, what is the number? 9, 8 and 6. Add 9 plus 8 plus 6, it is equal to 23. Next, the sum of the digits at even place. 0 and 1. 0 plus 1, it is equal to 1. Their difference, 23 minus 1, it is equal to 22. So 22 is divisible by 11. 2 11s are 22. So the number 61,809 is divisible by 11. See in that exercise 3.3, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. What is that example? 7,26,352, the sum. Check divisibility rules for the last two digit. It is divisible by 4. So 13 fours are 52. So the number 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Then check divisibility rule 8. The last three digit, it is divisible by 8. What is that last three digit? 352. It is divisible by 8. So that answer, what is that? 44 8s are 352. 44 8s are 352. So the sum 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. The next sum, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. What is the sum? 2,97,144. We have to check divisibility by 2 and 3. Look at that last digit, it is 4. So 4 is divisible by 2. And then check divisibility by 3. Add the sum, 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. It is equal to 27. 9 3s are 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. Hence 2,97,144 is divisible by 6. And the next one, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. What is the sum? 71,38,965. Sum of odd places starting from ones digit. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. It is equal to 24. And the next one, sum of even places. What is the sum? 6 plus 8 plus 1. It is equal to 15. Now do the subtraction, sum of odd places minus sum of even places. 24 minus 15, it is equal to 9. So 9, it is not divisible by 11. Hence, what is the sum? 71,38,965 is not divisible by 11. See the next sum. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space and each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. See the next sum. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space and each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. What is the sum? Dash 6724. The sum is given. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits, what is that? 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, it is equal to 19. Check sum is divisible by 3 so that we added 2 in 19. 2 plus 19, it is equal to 21. 7 3s are 21. So it is divisible by 3. Therefore, the required smallest digit is 2. So write here that smallest digit number, it is 2. And then check, we add 8 in 19. 8 plus 19, it is 27. 9 3s are 27. So which is divisible by 3. Hence the required greatest digit, it is 8. The next sum. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number is divisible by 11. 9 2 dash 3 8 9. It is given. Consider it is x. Sum of the digits at odd places. 9 plus 3 plus 2. Add what is that? It is equal to 14. And then sum of digit at even places. 8 plus x plus 9. That is 17 plus x. Now the difference between these sums. 17 plus x minus 14. 17 minus 14, it is 3. So what is the answer? X plus 3. For x plus 3 to become 11, we must have, what is that x value? 8. 8 plus 3, it is equal to 11. Hence the required digit is 8. So write that here 9 2 8 3 8 9. It is divisible by 11. See the next exercise 3.4 common factors and common multiples. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. Factors of 20, 1 20s are 20, 20 into 1s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20 and 2 10s are 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 20, 4, 5, 10 and 2. Then factors of 28, 1 into 28, it is equal to 28. 28 1s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28. 14 2s are 28 and 2 14s are 28. What are the factors of 28? 1, 28, 4, 7, 14 and 2. What is the common factor here? 20 and 28, what are the common factors? 1, then 2, then 4. What are the common factors of 20 and 28? It is 1, 2 and 4. Next one, find first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. The multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. And then multiples of 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 six are 108 and 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 162 and 18 tens are 180. Here first 3 common multiple. What are that? 36, then 72, then 108. So the first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. And the next one, write all the numbers less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4. The common multiples of 3 and 4, what is that? 3 fours are 12. Now write that 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. In this common multiples of 3 and 4, less than 100, what is that? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4. The next sum, which of the following numbers are co-prime? 18 and 35. The factors of 18, 1 18s are 18, 18 ones are 18. 2 nines are 18, 9 twos are 18. 6 threes are 18 and 3 6 are 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 18, 2, 9, 6 and 3. And then find factors of 35. The factors of 35, 1 into 35, it is equal to 35. 35 ones are 35, 7 fives are 35, 5 sevens are 35. The factors of 35, 1, 35, 7 and 5. The common factors of 18 and 35, it is 1. Thus 18 and 35 are co-prime. Why we are saying co-prime? Two numbers having only 1 as a common factor. So the number 18 and 35 are the common factor, that is 1. So these two numbers are co-prime number. See the next one. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? See the solution. If a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then it's also divisible by its product. 5 12s are, what is that? 5 12s are 60. 60 is divisible by 5 and then 60 is divisible by 12. The next sum, a number is divisible by 12. When other numbers will that number be divisible? See the solution. If a number is divisible by 12, so it is also divisible by the factors of 12. Factors of 12, what are that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See the next one, prime factorization. When a number is expressed as a product of its factor, we say that the number has been factorized. 24 can be written as 3 8s are 24. So this 24 can be factorized. This 24 can be written as 2 12s are 24. 12 can be written as 2 6 are 12. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. Then 24 can be written as 4 6 are 24. Then 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. And 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. See the next one. 24 can be written as 3 8s are 24. And then this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. See here. What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here all are same. In this factorization, the only factors 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Such a factorization of a number is called a prime factorization. Next one, it is the factor tree. That factor tree, the number 90 can be written as 10 nines are 90. This 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. This 9 can be written as 3 3s are 9. So what are the factors? 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Okay children, today our revision section it is over. Revise exercise 3.3 and 3.4. Refer your classwork and textbook. Revise the chapters properly and do the terminal examination well. All the best. We will meet in the next section. Thank you all.